Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to sign up for PayPal business account. So first of all, what you have to do is type in PayPal business account on Google search engine and open the top link. Make sure the link is not sponsored. Click on the top search result. Now you will land on this page. Click on sign up. Now it will open a new page. In order to create a business account, what you have to do is input your first name, your last name, your email address, your password, and also you have to input your phone number which you want to connect with your PayPal business account. And then it will send a confirmation code on your email address. Select email you a code. Now you have to go to your email address or open your email address and find the code and click on submit. Now you're all set. Now it will open a new page and click on get started. You can choose more than one option, selling goods or services. So I will select that. Select the appropriate option according to your business. Click on next. Now, where do you plan to accept payments? On your website, in person, remotely, or somewhere else? And then what do you plan to sell? Physical products, digital products. So you can select single or multiple options as well. Select next. Now here's what we recommend for you. Choose tool to set up. Now you can choose checkout, the payment button, or point of sale system. So you can select any system according to your business type or something like that. Checkout is the top pick. I will select that option. Start by choosing the group that fits your business best. LLC, corporation, partnership, or government. Select the appropriate option and click on the drop-down menu and select the business type. Click on next. Enter your date of birth, your social security number, or if you do not have social security number, you can also input your ITIN number, your home address, your city, state. It is included in the address section, phone number once again, and click on next and follow the prompts. And that's simply how you can sign up for PayPal business account. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and also don't forget to subscribe.